Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the font size of your text within Adobe Express. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in new.express.adobe.com and press enter, or you can also use the application if you have it installed on your device. Now, once you are taken into your dashboard, you can start working on various different designs. Now, within the edit menu, while you are working on your design, if you wish to change the size of any text that you have used, then simply double click on the text in order to highlight this. And now you will see various different edits that you can make. Now underneath the font, you will see the size option. You can click on the minus button in order to decrease the size. And you can click on the plus option if you wish to increase it. You may also use the bold, italic or various other text options and make various different changes as well. After making your desired changes, it will be applied to your text right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the font size of your text within Adobe Express. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.